We get ready too.
Star.
Like star.
Them.
Their system.
Mm-hmm.
They read the whole thing.
Them.
Just all the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. This word. Them.
And so I got
The.
You read the whole thing.
Yes. Okay, let's see what other words are there in there. Is. A.
Every day. He gets it.
And the next word is star.
Is a star?
Mm-hmm.
Star. You read these stars?
Okay, next sentence.
What's these stars doing in here?
Lillian, pay attention. I.
The top.
Underneath. You know how to underline correctly, darling. My.
Read the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Go under and go.
Does it look beautiful?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, it
It
is
is
the